Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to take a look at the GitHub contributions of any profile. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here at github.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. This is going to be the home page where we can get started. In the upper right corner, you'll be having the login options. If you want, you can go and sign up for a new account if you do not already have one. And if you have one, just go and log in. And after logging in, now we can get started. So once you have logged in, now you're going to be greeted by the main page where we can take a look at the repositories we have right here. We have our home page and home info, all that we can access, and now we can get started taking a look at contributions. So let's say we want to take a look at anybody's contributions. We can go ahead and first open up their profile. So let's go and find any repository we want. Here we can find the owner of the repository and open up their profile by clicking on them. And by opening up their profile, this is going to open up this profile right here option where we can take a look at all their info. So as you can see, now we can go and manage our profile, and by taking a look at their profile, clicking on their profile icon is going to open up this menu right here where we can take a look at all the info. And right here at the top of the screen, you can take a look at all their projects and repositories. These are their contributions to GitHub. Here you can find every project they have uploaded and every repository they have made. Everything is going to be available right here from here. So here is how to do it for yourself as well. In the upper right corner, click on your profile icon, and from here you can take a look at your projects, your stars, and so on, everything you need to take a look at your contributions, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.